Welcome back. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench with the SOBA 4.5 Jumbo Smoother, making shavings. That one's fairly thick for what I do. I hope you're having a good day. So I'm out here tinkering, trying to figure out why. Yeah, that's 2000s. Why? Why is it that shavings on some planes will jump straight out? And I'm hung up on this because if you go on the internet and you look up the term super surfacer, okay? Super, S-U-P-E-R, surfacer, S-U-R-F-A, surfacer. Okay. What you'll find is machines made by, I would think that there's some of them might have been made by Hitachi. Some may have been made by Makita. I don't know. I do know one of the big companies is Marunaka. And I'm familiar with Marunaka because here in my town, there is a veneer plant. And I worked at that veneer plant 40 years ago, where they had Marunaka slicers for making veneer. So as you can see, I'm still not getting straight shavings out of any of my other fancy planes. On this particular plane, the SOBA, I took the chip breaker. It had a primary of 25 degrees. I raised it to 30 degrees, tried it. I raised it to 35 degrees, tried it. I took it all the way to 45 degrees, and this is the result. Now, I'm getting a super smooth cut, no tear out. Grains going in both directions on this piece of wood. Beautiful shavings, beautiful, smooth, fine finish. Now, I mentioned those super surfacers because, and I don't know this for a fact, I am presuming at some point the engineering that was going into these super surfacers had something to do with the testing that was done as to blade angles, chip breaker angles, thickness of set, and how to control tear out. Because the last thing you want is tear out when you're making veneer or when you're making a machine that's thousands of dollars that you're going to pass lumber through. So look up super surfacer. Now, in my instance, I now have a 45-degree bevel on the front of this chip breaker. And so if you put that 45 against your cutting edge, which is bedded, okay, this is the base of your plane. It's bedded at 45 degrees. That means the shavings are coming up at 90 degrees to the face of the wood. I don't know why. And so far, nobody has been able to explain this to me. Why? And those super surfacers, they make shavings that are, most of the time, they're straight. They pile up on the floor of the workshop. Whew. This has got me consumed, but it gives me a reason to be out here tinkering. So I do have to say, though, that after tuning up the chip breaker, making sure it mated 100%, and resharpening the blade, this plane is performing as good as any other. It's still heavy for me to pick up. Maybe that'll come, maybe not. We shall see. Right? We shall see, said the blind carpenter as he picked up his hammer and saw. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.